Hey y'all, I have another wig to share with you guys. This wig was sent from Beauty Forever. Here is the packaging, just in case any of you guys are interested. All the links and details will be listed in my description box. So this is what it looks like. I think this is a water wave texture, if I'm not mistaken. And it's a 7x5 by knots wig, and it's in 24 inches. So this is what it's looking like, and inside it did come with elastic headband. I also have some HD wig caps. I have some false nails, and that's it. Ooh, pretty. So this is what it looks like. Very pretty. So the lace is pre-cut, the knots are bleached, and the hairline is pre-plucked. So this is what the lace looks like. Here is the construction. Again, it's a 7x5. This is the lace base. Then it comes with two combs in the front. You have a comb in the back with the drawstring to adjust it to your head size, which I really like. They also give you the grippy piece so it can fit more secure on your head. And yeah, and it also came with a removable elastic band, and this is also adjustable to fit your head size, just in case you wanted to wear glueless. So this is what it's looking like. Here is the hairline, but I feel like the hairline could be plucked some more, so I'm gonna go in and pluck this hairline a little bit more because alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on it just so this lace can lay down a little bit better. But yeah, so Alright y'all, so here are my end results. Really love the curls. They are nice loose curls. Again, this is water wave. All the details will be listed in my description box along with links if you guys are interested, but highly recommend if you are looking for a loose curl type of wig. Look at these curls, and I didn't really do much to refresh the curls. I just used water and scrunched it and used my diffuser as you saw in the previous clips. But yeah, and then I just added a little razzle dazzle with the 2 braids in the front, and boom, we got a look. So yeah, this is what she is looking like. Really nice. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Also y'all, this is Glueless. Do y'all see? Look at that. Glueless. Yeah, I really love the way this wig turned out. So yeah y'all, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see y'all in my next video.